So now we've got everything on, right? And I've got, you see that little blinking light? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do iOS. This also has Android too. It's got Android and iOS. So what we've got to do is come here. We're gonna click settings. We gotta go to Bluetooth. And then it should see this. And there it is, UBeesize. And then all I gotta do is touch it and it should connect it. Now we're connected. Now we can get out of there. We can go back to the camera and check it out. If we want to take a photo, all we do is go like this. Watch. Bam, takes a photo. If we want to do a video, here we are. We just go ahead and click on our little button. Bam, we're doing a video. Hey, look at me, I'm doing a video. Bam. Now if I want to do the video this way, of course, whoops. Let's switch it around. All right, so, all right, we've got it all set up, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our little device here, and we're gonna go ahead and click on this, and we're gonna be doing a video here because I got it on video, right? Watch. See up here? We're recording now. I'm recording video. All right, stop it, press the button. Want to do a photo? Same thing. Here we are doing our selfie. You ready? Bam, done. That's how it works. Worry about having these reflections because this illuminates the area really well. And then if I wanted to go ahead and videotape this, I just got to press my, oh, there we go. So now it's running. And so now I'm shooting this shot. And then I could come in here and, and unbox it and do all those different things that you need to do. And then when you're done, you just go ahead and hit it. And bam. And now you've got your video. So this is going to be a great, I think I'm going to really use this a lot. I think this is a really good product. So, I would highly recommend getting one of these things, especially if you're doing stuff like I do, which is, iPhones and all kinds of different little devices. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.